Why two people can experience the same pain differently. Two people go through the same storm. One breaks, the other grows. They face the same loss. One collapses, the other rebuilds. What made the difference? Perspective. One saw the event as the end, the other saw it as a beginning. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." You can't always control what happens, but you can control how you see it. And sometimes, that's all you need to change the outcome. The Stoics didn't promise that life would be easy, but they promised this: change your perspective, and you'll change how life feels. Part 1. Perspective is not passive. It creates your world. Perspective isn't just how you see life, it's the lens through which you create it. If you see yourself as a victim, life will feel like an endless assault. But if you see yourself as a student, every hardship becomes a teacher. Think about it. One person sees failure as proof they're not enough. Another sees it as fuel to grow stronger. Your mind will find what it's trained to focus on. If you believe the world is against you, you'll spot threats everywhere. But if you believe challenges grow you, you'll see every test as training. Perspective is like a filter. You can wear the filter of fear or the lens of strength. And the beauty is, you get to choose. Part 2. The Stoic Practice. Reframing your reality. Every time something happens to you, pause and ask, is there another way to look at this? Would Marcus Aurelius or Epictetus see this the same way I do? Am I reacting emotionally or responding wisely? These questions are not philosophical luxuries. They're survival tools. They don't make pain disappear, but they strip pain of its control over you. You can't always stop events, but you can stop letting them define you. Stoic reframing isn't about denial. It's about looking deeper, seeing things as they truly are. Because truth is, most suffering doesn't come from what happens. It comes from how we interpret what happens. Change the story, and you change the power it holds over you. Part 3. Real-life applications of perspective. Imagine a man who loses his job. He can say, "I failed, I'm worthless," or "This is a chance to rebuild my life on better terms." Another person is abandoned in love. She can believe, "I'll never be loved again," or "That wasn't the love I deserved. I'm free to find what aligns with my values." Perspective doesn't erase grief. It gives grief meaning. Stoicism teaches not to suppress emotions, but to transform your relationship with them. You're not erasing the past. You're rewriting its impact. From victim to survivor. From broken to wiser. From bitter to grateful. And it all starts with a shift in how you see. Part 4. Why most people stay stuck and how you don't. Most people suffer not because of what life does, but because of what they tell themselves about it. They say, "This shouldn't be happening. I can't handle this. Why me?" But Stoicism teaches you to flip the script. This is happening, and I will rise through it. I've faced storms before. I'll navigate this too. Why not me? Maybe I'm the one strong enough to grow through this. The story you tell becomes the life you live. Change your words, and you change your world. This is not about toxic positivity. It's about honest resilience. The power of perspective lies in its ability to unlock a new identity, from helpless to hopeful, from reactive too intentional. You don't need to change the world. You need to change how you see your place in it. Closing. The most Stoic power of all perspective is power. Not loud, flashy, or forceful, but silent, steady, unshakable. The Stoics didn't conquer the world with swords. They conquered their minds. They trained their gaze to look beyond fear, to find wisdom in suffering, to see clarity in chaos. And so can you. When something hurts, pause, breathe, ask, what's the lesson here? What am I becoming through this? Because in the end, you don't see the world as it is. You see the world as you are. Train your eyes, and your soul will follow. Subscribe for more Stoic tools to sharpen your perspective and stay grounded, no matter the storm.